baby, but the city life is driving me crazy. I've had enough of the stop sign, red light life. So trade in your high heels for your bare feet and jump in here next to me. Slam the door and keep all the noise outside. 'Cause these Georgia pines are calling my name, and I couldn't think of a sweeter escape. With the headlights off and the radio on, humming along to our favorite songs. Bullfrog lullaby in the background. The man on the moon singing his tune to me and you in the middle of June. It's sweeter than a record spinning around, 'cause you're my summer sound. Well, can you hear my heartbeat pounding when you wrap your arms around me and whisper I love you in my ear? A mason jar under the front seat, that apple pie moonshine sure tastes sweet. Pass me the bottle, cap it off with a kiss. Been waiting all week for a night like this. With the headlights